Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Homicipher on PC or laptop, right? The first thing you need to do here is, if you don't have it yet, you must download the Steam app, alright? Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in Steam and hit on enter. Now once you're in here, either you want to click on this one or this install Steam link right here. Just click on that and you will be landed on this page. Alright, so what you're going to do in here is just go ahead and click on install Steam and a download page will pop up. As you can see here, yours might be different because I'm using ITM. You might see it pop up right here at the top, right? Just go ahead and start the download, and once the download is done, just go ahead and install the Steam software. Now once done, once you have your Steam app set up, just go ahead and launch Steam. And make sure to log in if you have an account. All right, if you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and click on the plus sign right here, add an account, and click this one right here, create a free account. Now, if you already have an account, just go ahead and log in with your credentials right here. All right, as you can see here, I already have 2 accounts, so I'm going to click on one to log in to show you where to find the Homicipher. All right, now once you're in the Steam app, just go ahead and go to the store, and you will be landed on this exact page. Now what you're going to do in here is go to the search bar right here at the top right and type in Homicipher. All right, as you can see here, there's a trial version and the complete version. If you want to, you can try this trial version. All right, but this one, the Homicipher paid version, which is the complete version, is about $9, $8 to $9. All right, just go ahead and add this to your cart. View my card and just continue to payment right here. All right, and select the payment method. It could be your PayPal, your Visa, your MasterCard, GCash if you are in Philippines, and eClub points. All right, once you've selected your preferred payment method, just go ahead and hit on continue. Once the purchase is done, just go back to your library right here and find Homicipher, for example this one, and just click on play. And you're good to go. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.